It is both an honor and privilege to welcome you all to the valedictory session of the first Justice S. Kochar Moot Court Competition 2024. We are gathered here today to celebrate not just the conclusion of an intense and exciting competition, but to acknowledge the remarkable dedication, hard work, and intellect displayed by all the participants who have made this event.
They have been getting fine and our students also been getting experience.
Yes, Your Lordship. Paragraph number 9, Your Lordship, from the Moot Court Competition. Settling the Raji accepted Khushi's offer, gave her 50 lakhs, deleted the video and asked her not to take legal action, Your Lordship. He deleted the intimate video that was shot on the night of the section 8 course, and the video which is in question of violating the privacy is
her ambiguity that whether Raji would be able to stand up for her for the rest of the life, to which Raji assured that he will take care of her for the rest of the life. And after this, on the night of that incident, they entered into a sexual intercourse which was based on mutual consent, and a video same was recorded which was also based on the mutual consent. After a month from this incident, Khushi got to know that she is pregnant. She conveyed the same information to the petitioner, who is Raji, wherein Raji replied that she.
Hello, I'm Priyanshu Padi, along with my team Radhika and Lakshman. We are from Marwari University, Rajkot, and thank you for Mangalayatan for such an hospitality and such a wonderful first SL Kochar Moot Court competition. Thank you.
We are Team Putter. We are from BMS College of Law, Bangalore. Our experience was really good here. It was a great opportunity with competing over 40 teams and then qualifying for the finals. And the overall stay was also good over here.
It was a very experience that we'll cherish forever. We had a very good experience here. The researcher session, everything was organized very well. We thank the university for organizing such an event.
So I'm quite overwhelmed that the first Justice SL Kochar competition has been successfully organized, and to an extent everything has been executed as per the plan. I feel quite privileged that I get to be a part of my father's legacy, where the first national moot court competition has been organized in his name. And I would just like to congratulate the university, the participants, the students of the university who are here and who have made efforts for the past 1 month, who have burned their midnight oil preparing for the competition. So I would just wish them luck, and they should continue performing well, and may the university scale more heights in the future. That's all the best.